Hey Jerry, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the privilege of speaking with Billy, who thought you'd be interested in this video that I'm about to show you. So today we're
Mhm.
going to go over just a couple tips that is going to help with your online performance to help you get more of those organic leads. So as you can see, we're on your website. Gotta click to call, that's great. Um, You do have a nice looking website. I like your colors. It's a good keyword here. Um, got a little bit of content. Looks like you serve multiple areas and the entire county. So you guys do have a huge service area. So you want to make sure that each of these locations and all of the cities within Orange County that have any search volume have their own pages so that Google can put you in front of those customers when they're having those emergencies. Okay, so the rule of thumb is content is key. You need a lot of content and you need more content than your top competitor for each of your services in every single one of your service areas. Um, that's about 150 words for every buyer intent keyword that you're trying to rank for, which are these keywords here that people are actively searching for when they're having those emergencies. They probably won't know the name of your company, but they know that they're in an emergency and they know the service they need. And those are the type of keywords that you need to be focused on. You need to make sure that you do indeed have a separate page for every single one of your services, which it doesn't appear that you do. For every single service you offer, you need your own page so that you can go after those keywords and be found for each of those services in each of your service areas. Google does not rank based on appearance, unfortunately. They have robots that are little crawlers that search and index every single page that you have, looking for your content and keywords so they can put you in front of your customers. And being in the emergency type business, it is even more critical that you can be easily found. Um, so, one of your top competitors in Los Angeles is DryMaster. They don't have a great website. Their website is not secure, which is a big problem. But they do have more content. They do have separate pages um, for each of their services, but they are also missing out on their service areas and not having those pages. So you guys are both missing out on over thousands of volume that could be coming to your website. Your website is 70% of what's going to bring in those new leads for you. So having a well-performing website is really critical. Um, in order to beat this specific company, you're going to just need more content, additional pages, and work on that keyword content. This is Ahrefs. It is a tool that tells us how your website performs. You have a point 0.2 out of 100 for your website in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not trust your website. And that's 100% because of your backlinks and referring domains. You only have 173, but that's still quite a bit to have such a low score, which means that majority of your backlinks are either not relevant to your business, are no follows, or spammy type backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. You only want good, high authority backlinks, and you need a lot more than your top competitors. Because you don't have a whole lot of content, Google has not been able to index you for keywords, so you're not getting any traffic to your website. All of these things work hand in hand together, so you definitely need to work on that content. because you're missing out on thousands of people that could be landing on your website every month. When we look at your competitor, they also have a really low score and over 450 backlinks, which says that majority of those backlinks are pretty poor and spammy backlinks. So you need to have more backlinks than your top competitor in every service area that you service, but you also need better quality. So more backlinks and better quality backlinks. Because these guys have more pages and more content, they're able to be indexed for over 125 keywords, and 150 people are making it to their website every month. What a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is here, the more power and authority Google's going to give you. And if these do follow backlinks, they will actually share the power of those high ranking sites with you, helping you to rank even faster. And you need to make sure that these backlinks are closely tied to your keywords so that you're able to rank for those keywords and your customers will actually be able to find you. And the last thing is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 because 30% of people come directly to the maps and they won't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3, all of those customers are going to your competition. In order to get into the top 3, there's several factors, with the biggest one being citations, which is the name of your business, the address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Dex, LinkedIn, etc. And you need a lot more of those citations than your top competitor in each of your service areas. Once you follow the tips that I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for your service areas and for your keywords. You're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can take this information I've provided and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just asked for some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to hearing from you soon.